Excel Appendix D, pages D5 and D6. First, at the bottom of page D4, read about creating a custom table style. It's just a quick little paragraph. When you finish reading that, let's move up to the top of page D5 to apply a table style to the elements list in the Element Data worksheet. Step number 1, go to the Element Data worksheet. Okay? Select cell B6. Always check right there in your address box. Make sure you're in the right cell before you keep going. Press Control-Shift-End. Control-Shift-End, E-N-D. The entire range of the elements list is selected. Without deselecting the range, scroll back to the top of the worksheet. Okay? Step number 3. Okay, and first of all, if you deselected, just do step number 1 again, okay? Step number 3, on the Home tab in the Styles group, okay, Home tab, Styles group, click the Format as Table button, okay? Here it is right here, Format as Table. That opens up a whole gallery for you. Click Table Style Medium 4, the 4th table style in the first row. Mine is not, okay. First of all, I probably should have gone to the medium section like they told me, because they're right there. It says medium section, 1, 2, 3, 4. Table style medium 4. It helps if you actually go to the right section, doesn't it? Okay, go ahead and click on that. It says Format as Table. Where is the data for your table? Make sure that your range is the absolute value of B6 through the absolute value of I-124. Make sure that the My Table has a headers checkbox is selected. Right there, it's selected. And then click the OK button. The selected range is converted to an Excel table with the table style we selected applied. Okay? Step number 5. On the Table Tools Design tab in the Table Options group, okay, we have our Table Tools Design tab and we have our Table Style Options group. Click the first column checkbox to insert a check mark. Okay, first column is right there. The first column of the table, that's column B, is formatted with bold, and other elements of the table are formatted. Take a look at figure D3 and compare it to what you have on your screen. Okay, and they have a lot of little nice call-outs to show you exactly what's going on, so take a look at that. Just read that quick little paragraph down here at the bottom. To create and apply the custom table style, on the ribbon, click the Home tab. In the Styles group, click the Format as Table button. And then click New Table Style. It's right there. The New Table Style dialog box opens. The Table Element box lists the 13 table elements you can format. The preview box shows the formatted table. Okay, so we have our table elements. There's 13 tables in here, and we have a preview box over here. Okay, in the name box, type Elem Table. Okay, so here we have our name box. It's already selected for us, so I'm just going to type in. Whoops, see how I spelled it right. Okay, no spaces. Okay, take a look at it, Elem Table, make sure it's correct, and then turn to page D6. Step number 3. In the table element box, okay, here's your table element right here. There's the box that goes with it. Click header row. Okay, there's header row. And then click the Format button. And here's our Format button right here. So we click header row, Format. The Format Cells dialog box opens. Step number 4, click the Fill tab. And then in the background color palette, background color, and here's the palette, click dark green, the 7th color in the 6th row. Okay. 5, 6, 7, right there. Okay. Step number 5, click the Font tab. Click the Color arrow. Okay, so we're in our Font tab, and we have Color right here. We're going to hit the down pointing arrow on Color, and then click White Background 1, the first color in the first row. Right there. Excuse me. Step number 6, click the OK button. Now you're back at your new table style dialog box, and you can see the header row formatting in the preview box right there. Step number 7, in the table element box, click first row stripe. Okay, there's first row stripe right there. Verify that 1 is inserted in the stripe size box. And here's our stripe size box, and it says 1. Then click the Format button. Step number 8, click the Fill tab. Click White. Okay, background color white's right here. That's that very first one. Then click OK. Step number 9, in the table element box, click second row stripe. Right there. Verify that 1 is entered in the stripe size box. Step number 10, click the Format button. Click light orange, the last color in the third row, in the background color palette on the Fill tab. Okay, so we're already on the Fill tab, and we want the last color in the third row. And what color am I looking for? A light orange. This should be that one. Okay. When you've done that, go ahead and click OK. Step number 11. In the table element box, click first column. Alright, column stripe, we don't want that. First column, there it is. Click the Format button. We want orange, the last color in the 5th row of the background color palette. Alright, last color in the 5th row. Okay. Click the Font tab. Click the Color arrow. Click White Background 1. And then click OK. Step number 13. Click the OK button. The Elm table style is added to the Table Styles gallery. And step number 14, with the element table still selected, click the Format as Table button. Okay, so we're going to go Format as Table, and right up here in Custom, there is the Elm table that we made right there. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, deselect so you can take a look at the beautiful stuff that you just created. Go ahead and click Save, and you're ready to move on to your next video.